here at the Capital Chapter. Let me share with you how God has saved me. I had a difficult childhood. I grew up feeling unloved, rejected, and treated to be just an option. Akong mama kay pinig ko, taon kung wala siya sa papa kay tuon na yung kabilang papa kung nasa siya yung mga anak sa limba. She always said that namatay na lang ako. Panganak niya sa ko kay malas daw. I also got bullied outside because of my skin color. Away ko nila o hapakon. Wala ko yung madaganan but only kay. Kung warto ko sa simbahan kay mag-apo ko mag-ina. God has blessed me with the strength to endure and during life and death situations. He has performed miracles that have affirmed me that He sees me, He cares for me, and that He has greater plans for me. The first miracle in my life happened when I was just 2 years old. Though I barely remember to tell it, but I drowned and was found floating in the sea. God performed another miracle. He gave me a second life to live. The second miracle was back in 2018. I was diagnosed with a liver disease while I was working in Iligan because of a poisonous substance I gathered at work. I was 50-50 that time, and the doctor gave 6 months to 1 year for me to live. The doctors called me a miracle patient because even though I am in critical condition it came to a point na wala na yung madetect na puso, I survived because I had a strong fighting spirit. That spirit is God who gave me the grace to endure and eventually to recover. The same year, I joined the Singles for Christ here in the Capital Chapter, which is ang akong pag-first join sa top or session sa Christian Life program kay nasnatch akong cellphone. Despite of what happened, still nipadayon ko wala nawag ng paglao. Ako dyan na human ang tibuok na tao sa selfie. But being in the community does not exempt you from life's struggles. Pag 2019, kaya nasanugan ko while nagpuyo ko sa boarding house in Cebu City. However, this time, I am not facing my struggles alone. God has blessed me with my second family, the Singles for Christ, who helped me that time not only about money, but all of my needs. Kaya tanang namin ako kaya nasulog hasta akong kwarto. Even pagpalit o chinelas kay wala. Hasta akong gustihan kay sila po i-provide. Grabe na ko trauma atong but naroon sila sa buwak